Hello everyone, welcome to Bean Lectures. Learn SQL from real jobs. In this section, we will learn inner join, outer join, and self-join. Inner join returns records that have matching values in both tables. Left join returns all records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. Right join returns all records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. Full join returns all records. When I worked in a school, I had two tables, students and courses. We have data like that. Select star from students. And select star from courses. Student table has student ID, student name. Courses table has course ID, student ID, course name. Let's do inner join it first. Select student name. Course name. From students is left table. Inner join. Courses is right table. On left table student ID equal right table student ID. Then left join. Okay, we got to know Linda left our school last year, but we didn't update our data. Then right join. So we see nobody wants to learn English 11. Full join. Select student name, courses name from students is left table. Full join. Courses is right table. Left table student ID equal right table student ID. All records show up. Next question. What is self-join? Of course, table A, join table A. How to make it work? Here we have a table show all employees. Let's take a look of this table. Everyone has one employee ID and one manager ID. We want to know every manager have which employee. We use this table as employees table and we use this table as manager table. So we use it twice. We have to give it different alias. Select employee first name, last name. Manage first name, last name. From employees is employees. Join employees. Is manage. On employees manager ID equal manager employee ID order by tool. Now we can see who follow manager Adam, who follow manager Dean, and so on. Does it make sense? Okay, let's learn SQL from real job. See you next time.